Alright guys, I'm currently closing a couple of trades that I took on my Apex account and the exit at the very top. It's insane. And I just passed now, today alone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Said some, thought a nigga said some. G block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. G block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. Nigga, all we know is riding in the back, it's a maze, 32 shots in the K, Marathon, I really run the A, Say you touch me, how sway, Graveyard, that's where the ops stay, hypnotized.
Alright guys, so today we got PPI, and looking at the charts right now, I'm not really sure if I want to take now I trade. Probably we will be doing some trading later on. And yeah, let's see, let me just check with you together right now the charts. So as you can tell, confirmations haven't played out yet. We have like two cases. Case number one is the price to found now somewhere here support to go higher to reach at least this external, or scenario number two that we will go down, grab this liquidity to then push up higher. Right now we're in the middle, so I kind of wait because I can't see any confirmations, and I have some long term or for the day this target at the high where I want to see price coming. So I'm very convinced it's gonna go up. So let's see. So patience pay, guys. Price never validated over here. We just dropped lower, and now I'm looking soon for some buys as soon as price will tap into this line over here. So let's go, guys. Today, guys, is a great day because I will get interviewed by the Trading Pit. I will share my success story with them because I've had with them right now already the 8th payout, I think. So every 2 weeks since I have the account, since around February or so, I've been always being in profit, and I was able to request. My target was always between 3 to 5%, and I also received already a scaling with them, which means I have right now a 125% account. And I really love this Propfirm currently because there are no issues with payouts or anything like that, and even with the scaling. I've had it already multiple times that I've been even banned when I've reached the scaling plan from many Propfirms already. This one has no fear, no nothing. I think the reason behind that is because the founder is the co-founder of Tickmill, a very big broker. And yeah, they also provide actually a hybrid model, which I think they are one of the first who've done it. They provide you futures and Forex, and this is what I'm gonna try out them also with the future space to see how well it works over there. Recently, I got multiply funded in the future space as well with other Propfirms like Apex and Topstep, and now I'm looking forward to get more in funding also with the Trading Pit. And I like to use the advantage of both models, and I think this is a good choice. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to the barber, guys, to get fresh new sites in order to be fresh for the interview and to share some nuggets over there. As soon as this thing is gonna get online, guys, you need to check that out. The cool thing with the Trading Pit is that they allowed recently to have more funded accounts in the Forex space, and this is why I bought now a new 100k challenge. And I tried to pass it now. I usually use more risk when it comes to challenge accounts, but not what you think. I'm not risking now 5% or something, but I like to use 2% risk per trade to get faster to the target, and they have only 8% target for the phase 1. And yeah, today I already passed it. I started it this week, and I think it took me now only 2 days or 3 days to be able to do so. I really realized that when it comes to challenges, very often I'm not so emotional attached to it. When it comes to funded accounts, or when it comes to trading with personal accounts, I usually get more emotion attached to the charts or whatsoever. But when it comes to challenges, usually I'm all right, in worst case I will lose those $500 fees for the challenge, which is okay for me. But yeah, this time, and that's exactly today when I have the interview with them, I can even share another success. So probably are gonna be soon more funded with them, and I'm looking forward to get max funded then with them. I think it's a very great opportunity. Probably a reason why I'm still funded with them and why we will probably continue to partner up is because they also A-book me. This is the very first time that I've received this type of information from a prop firm, that they're actually A-booking me. All of these other ones who have banned me, and let me know if you want me to do some type of videos where I expose a couple of those prop firms who are still active, still trying to get people with big discounts such as minus 50% and stuff like this. Every single time when they ban me, or like they said to me, hey, we have to close your funded account now, I always wrote them like, isn't there a way that you A-book me? Because normally when I trade with a prop firm, I usually take the risk very serious. It's very rare that I go like below 3% or something in terms of risk, and usually I accept my loss at 1 to 2%, which I think it's a very good way to manage the drawdown. If we think about it, we can go 10%, and I also don't lose it in a period of 6 months or so. But yeah, most of them deny it, and then they just say goodbye to you. And this is basically not a long-term model that will work. So each prop firm who just makes money based on the traders who fail their challenges, they will not survive here for the long term. 100% they will not. They need to understand what to do with data of those traders who are consistent. And let's be honest, there are consistent traders. Now, I'm not saying that many of them are consistent, but still there are a few of them. And you gotta understand that even those ones who are not consistent, they can get a lucky trade. They can get funded. They can get a couple of payouts. Maybe they are right now in a phase where the strategy works very good, for instance, and they can acquire payout after payout after payout. The problem is just that the reality will come after them at one moment, and that's exactly when they blow their accounts. Now, I understand that it's very hard for prop firms sometimes to like understand how to A-book them properly and what kind of risk management they should use and how much capital they should put behind them. But it's something prop firms have to deal with. And if some influencers or whatever will now just say, hey, I'm starting my own prop firm, bro, I really don't think you have the expertise to like do this, because I think this is such a more complex system to build on. And I talked already to a few CEOs of prop firms, and what I've learned so far is that they are not even traders. It's a very interesting thing that they're not traders. They are basically so into the depth of how to manage risk and how to do the other side of this business that they don't even know how to like trade, for instance, in a profitable way. And I really think that being a good trader doesn't mean that you can now actually run a prop firm. That's probably the reason why I don't run a prop firm, because I think this is a very complex thing and I don't have the knowledge and the data and all of these things to understand how I can operate over there in a successful way. Although, of course, I would do it probably in a way, but I think in order to like create a product like this, like a prop firm, it's something very tricky, very difficult, and I don't want to be then, for instance, the one who will then, hear them from the community that you're a scammer and stuff like this, just because I couldn't make it work long term. And we've had that already multiple times in the past, and it's very sad. But yeah, that's my point on it, and this is why I think that the prop firms who are backed by brokers, right, who already have experience, probably even decades of experience, this is probably the new wave, and it's probably the more sustainable wave, to be honest. Alright guys, I'm currently closing a couple of trades that I took on my Apex account. I just passed another 150k, it's insane. Wow, my phone is so big, man. Crazy. It's literally crazy. Gotta close them. Alright, I think that's it. So another 5 accounts where I took it here. This one has been passed today. So another 150,000. So now I am total funding 2.8 million. That's insane, guys. Insane. I can't even believe what I'm doing here. Let me show you the move. There you go. This was a trade took today on other accounts, but here you see the entry and the exit at the very top. It's insane. Insane. What a day. I also passed this one, which is Funder Pro. Phase 1, 10% target. Phase 2, I think it's 8% or something. They have a different trading Propfirm model. Looking forward for them too. This was the only challenge from the Forex space I failed the last time. The reason was because I completely forgot to put stop loss. And I really don't know why. And volatility kicked in and I was just boom. Lost the account in phase 2. This was very bad choice from my point of view. But yeah, looking forward now to finally pass it. Phase 2, let's go, baby. Alright guys, I'm done with the bobber. Got a little bit short here now, like I've been rocking this a few times in the past. Now it's been a while because I had them right now very long on the sides for a very long time. But yeah, I just tried it out again. I like it. I just need to style it a little bit at home to see how it looks like. But basically my hair will grow back to the same length in just 1 month, so I really don't care. So yeah, let's go guys. We got today PPI news and we're gonna get into some trades very soon again. I think so. Like we will check it out because the day was already fire, to be honest. But now we're gonna like try to get another good entry.
Cussing the things, cussing the wings. I had to cussing the vibe.
Alright guys, so we got now PPI news in 3 minutes. I will share quickly now the forecast with my inner circle because we're gonna do now live trading. We're gonna trade this now together. My expectation is super bullish. Let me show you now here quickly for this vlog what I'm expecting. Basically, you see this move here that we had now. And my expectation is that we might tap here into something a little bit lower. So let me show you that. Basically, expectation is either is gonna tap into something here, which means like here to take out this low, this current low here, and then move higher, or will we just shoot up right now? 150K. I mean, you can see it here. It's almost passed. It's almost passed. So just shoot up. I only need 150 pips or ticks. I don't know. And then I'm done. All right. Oh, we got the news already. All right. I think I take it on the other one as well. It looks not so aggressive. Take here. Oh, come on. Just take it on the other one as well. Looks good. Yeah, we can pass even more today. So here, now you see live how I take those trades sometimes. I don't always have like the best entry, and I really don't care about getting the best entry every single time. This one has been passed today. This brought me to 2.8 million. And now I'm looking to bring it up. That looks good. Yeah. To be honest, it's way too less. Let's see if we can take the external, otherwise I just close. Profits are profits. Yeah, I close now. I really don't like this. Still 740 on this. Still a good amount in profit. And I just don't want to give it away now for it's not what I want, really. Alright guys, this is literally insane. I just passed those accounts. I found another setup. I bought in with 2 contracts because the momentum was there. Let me show it to you guys. And I just passed now, today alone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 150,000 Apex accounts. The first one I've showed you already. The other ones have been passed now too. And these have been the trades. Because the first one, that was the token live. And I explained, hey, we have a high chance price going down. But then momentum has changed. You see that on the 5 minute, very good, like bullish candles, exactly what I want. and then I closed at the freaking top. And boom, this was the account which was the smallest balance on. And now boom, get hit. So let me show you guys. This is the first one from today. Then next one, past. Bro, this is insane. Like, this is insane. I mean, what we're talking about, does it change now? Sure, it's the same balance. Yeah, almost. Okay, some bug. It's crazy. It's crazy. These are the accounts. What's going on? Like, my previous record was 2.2 million, and that was last year. And then I stepped a little bit back away from Propfirm, so I was like, I don't know, I can't trust them anymore, and so on. And yeah, now I'm trying my new luck, I guess, right? Like, it took a while to pass it, to be honest. It was not easy with Apex, with those trading drawdowns, but I found my way, my technique. I've never given up. Like, I bought a bunch of accounts. And also, like, last year, I've been already at some point funded with them like 750,000. That was already good. But this is right now a whole new level. So, crazy. I wanted to make this video to like, hey, I'm 2 point... How much have I been today? I don't even know it anymore. And now I'm total funded 3.5 million. Insane. This is crazy, guys. So for everyone watching this right now, it's possible, man. Like, of course, being funded is not the ultimate goal, right? You have to make more money on the account as well. But yeah, I will take my time here as well. Like, I did the passing and looking forward. If you're now getting started with trading and you don't have money, it's gonna be hard. And the moment you have that, so much pressure will be gone and you will be like very good in trading. My risk management was terrible for the first, let's say 2 years, 3 years, I don't know. And then I stepped into Propfirms, and that was the moment when, for me, this entire journey started to like get profitable, because with the personal account, you didn't have any form of boundaries to understand, okay, when do you pay out? How much do you risk now? Because at the end, it's all a game of numbers. Most people can't even tell you that. They just think of, okay, I'm gonna trade the account till I'm at 1 million, then I pay out. Even though if they would come at the 1 million, they won't take it out.
Could you explain your strategy in the next 60 seconds that made you funded with $3.5 million? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the Trading Pits YouTube channel.
So the Trading Pits interview is over. Shout out to TTA Capital. It was a very nice interview. And yeah, I'm looking forward for the release. We talked a lot about psychology, about how I got funded now, 3.5 million, which is insane. It just happened today, like on the day of the interview. So even for me, it's still overwhelming, to be honest. And yeah, guys, very cool trading day today. So haven't touched another market. I am done basically. Like, most traders would not stop now. They would like, let's go, it's a good day, let's keep pushing. You gotta learn that, guys. It's not working that way. You have to, in reality, understand when you stop. Otherwise, consistency will never follow in reality. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining today's vlog. Looking forward for new ones. And very important, the very last, I want to host a bootcamp here on YouTube for free for everyone. I want to like start a series of education to like provide you just the things you need, because in reality, most people don't understand it. In trading, it's not all about education alone. Like, you need the right education, right? But a mentorship is something different, right? Like what we have in Inner Circle, guys, for instance, is something where you get the data and the information that you need. A course, things like that, is usually not enough, but still, it's the very first step at the beginning. And without a proper strategy in education, you cannot even get profitable, right? But I will teach you there everything you need in reality to get profitable. But there's a difference between mentorship and knowledge. It's the same thing. Like, if you want to like get good in
in the gym, or you want to let's say you want to win a competition as a bodybuilder or something. There's no way you do it without a coach, because there are so many traps you can fall. And if you get coached by someone, a mentorship, he can tell you exactly the pitfalls and how to avoid them. While if you only do own research, you might know a lot, but the speed and everything is not going to be comparable to what you can get. And that's exactly why our mentorship can speed up your process dramatically. So with that being said, guys, if you want to join us, link is in bio, and very, very soon I try to start with the bootcamp. Have a nice one, guys.